Hi, my name is Karan Vada. I'm the VP of Cloud Engineering here at Oracle. Today, I'm going to talk about what ISVs need to build large-scale services and how they're using Oracle to actually accomplish these goals. ISVs today are continually moving to the cloud for various reasons, such as driving down their IT costs or serving a growing global customer base. Even though ISVs are asking more of their cloud providers each and every day, there are still fundamental building blocks that are needed to build these large-scale SaaS services for their core business value. Firstly, ISVs have a global customer base. This means they require regional presence wherever those customers are located. Furthermore, some of these regional requirements may also mean multiple regions within the same country for things like DR or data sovereignty reasons. This ISV customer base includes a wide variety of customers, such as local businesses to large enterprises and organizations in different industries like fintech, media, oil and gas, each with their own set of requirements, such as enterprise SLAs and security, to attractive economics for cost-effective workloads while maintaining consistent and predictable performance. I'm going to talk about these requirements and give you a quick glimpse of some of the things that we differentiate in this space. Firstly, our global footprint. We've invested heavily in our regional footprint based on customer feedback, and today we are live with 29 regions with an additional 9 regions over the next 12 months. We've been building these hyperscale regions on a very fast pace. And in every country we're located, we also have a second region for disaster recovery while meeting data sovereignty requirements as well. And for customers that are invested in multi-cloud deployments, we've enabled these scenarios by partnering with Microsoft Azure for 6 interconnected regions. In addition, we've made it extremely simple by having consistent pricing across all of our regions globally. This makes it extremely flexible and simple for ISVs to manage their costs, customers, and experience across a global footprint without having to load balance across multiple regions to optimize cost. As a large organization adopts ISV SaaS for their mission-critical workloads, ISVs require more than just high availability for their cloud from their cloud providers. Enterprise-grade SLAs are critical in terms of setting quality of service standards, managing expectations, addressing liabilities and responsibilities, and providing a framework for handling and providing support during big outages. Oracle offers end-to-end SLAs that cover not just availability, but also performance SLAs such as number of IOPS per disk or direct line rate of network bandwidth, and manageability such as API failure rate. This allows for increased reliability for ISV applications running on Oracle infrastructure while providing consistent and expected results. Cost is one of the more fundamental decision-making points for an ISV. The cost needs to be flexible and agile with increasing value as the business of ISV grows. Most customers believe that cloud services are more expensive than running on-prem data centers. However, most customers are also calculating these costs using the same buying patterns as they use on their on-premise data centers. With the right operational and architectural guidance, cloud can actually be more cost-effective over time, and OCI is specifically leading in that charge with being the most cost-effective across all cloud providers, not just on-premise data centers. And as you can tell from a small slice of services like networking and compute and storage, OCI is significantly cheaper than the competition with similar and in other cases, better performance. You can check out a wide array of workload cost comparisons and benchmarks on our economics webpage. And then to underscore the economics point, if you take a look at on-demand pricing across all the cloud providers, you'll see OCI is extremely cost-effective in majority of the services, with some savings such as network bandwidth being orders of magnitude cheaper than the competition. You can also add to these savings with benefits such as tiered pricing to fully utilize Oracle Cloud's benefits. Security is another core building block of how ISVs build SaaS products in the cloud. ISVs can expect to provide secure services to their customers, meaning that they expect cloud providers to actually give them the tools and the guidance and practices to build against threats, and in other cases, help them protect proactively against them. We built OCI with a zero trust architecture from the ground up, from our bare metal compute instances that use technologies such as off-box virtualization to our automated security patching for autonomous Linux and OS management, all the way to our fully managed services such as CloudGuard that monitors your resources and activity and then uses machine learning to surface actionable issues and auto-remediate problems. Oracle has a complete suite of security products that redefines how ISVs should think about security in the cloud. When ISVs and their customers bet on cloud, they expect at least some level of performance similar to on-prem. With the combination of superior economics and now superior performance, it makes Oracle a no-brainer for ISVs looking to get the best of both worlds. We put our storage performance to the test. Not only has it been validated by third-party analysis, but our storage performance is backed by performance SLAs that I spoke about earlier, the only performance SLA in the industry. Storage Review found that Oracle bare metal with attached block storage devices offers 2 to 5x better performance over AWS's i3 metal instances for Oracle databases, Microsoft SQL, VDI, and other types of mixed workloads. We offer over 5x more usable IOPS for Microsoft SQL Server workloads than AWS. Now, this story extends to other aspects of OCS, such as better price performance for our compute instances, and the lowest latency RDMA network in the industry for HPC workloads, all the way down to 1.5 microseconds. Now, Oracle embraces a de facto standard for all of our cloud native services so that customers have a much lower overhead and costs for orchestration or cloud events, etc. Oracle works with partners like Microsoft and VMware to enable simpler migration, lower risk, and fully functional cross-vendor applications. You can run Oracle databases everywhere, but you can't run Aurora anywhere but AWS. Similarly, we've made open de facto decisions for things such as our Oracle Resource Management Provider, which is built on Terraform. So you can write code once and deploy everywhere. Hopefully, this gave you a quick view of some of the things that ISVs are doing across the board to enable large SaaS services for their customers. You can get started very quickly by opening up a free account, and we provide what we call always free services, which is a host of services you can use to build an app and get experience with Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Alongside, we provide credits so you can actually use them on paid services to get an experience of what it means to build an application or a SaaS service on the cloud. Thank you for your time today.